Morning. Let's see what's happening here. This is getting a trend line, right? 1, 2, 3. What does this trend line mean? EMAs are getting aligned now with 100 EMA crossing 200 EMA. It kind of suggests that I will not go further up. But let's see where this candle stopped. It stopped exactly at the end of this candle. So it is kind of a three white soldiers, especially when this is also a trend which suggested to go down, but this major uptrend, and it sounds like it wants to do a breakout from this trend line. It wanted to take a breakout from this trend line, but trend line says no, you have to get back to me. However, this is still a positive or bullish candle, a bit kind of a fake breakout. We want to get back to the trend line. Let's wait and see. At this point, all the bodies are still closing above each other, although the wicks are closing below. Major uptrend, but losing that steepness, especially when 20 EMA is below middle Bollinger Band. Price action has happened on the left, so it also gives it a push to go further up. Two deviation is not that away from one deviation. It's getting into a sort of a Bollinger squeeze, but not really squeeze, but it's closing down on the width of the Bollinger Band. So it says, yes, I came back to my trend line. It was a breakout. I want to continue. I respect it. There was a resistance level marked in red, which is also respected. Now we have to find a nice support level. This is a key level, round number. This way it has stopped before. Price action has been there. Strong candle, not really weakening. So it's not really loss of momentum. Oh, yeah, it is a weak candle now. It is a weak candle now. But it got, this is not a point where it will reverse. because not really a strong support area. There are support areas like this one. Okay, how was it? How much it was it valued or respected to some extent? Last time also it was respected. Here also is respected. So it is a strong support area or line. But this is also a more stronger resistance line. So it will try to play in between these two lines. It says, yeah, I wanted to go up. It did not allow me. It's still closer to one deviation. Was a gap up, two times gap up. This resistance line has been touched twice. Middle Bollinger Band is not much of a use when it comes to support and resistance levels, key levels. Yeah, I don't think this is a really nice candle. So is it Morningstar 50? No, it went above this 50 level of this, right? This would have been 50 level. It crossed last two candles. However, this is towards that major trend. And this level has been both a support and a resistance recently. So yeah, 7 minutes not traded yet. I'm not in a rush. What I see is that it wants to get back down. Is it a pullback? Is it a retracement? No, it is a wick. It want to still respect that resistance level. It's going back towards it, and the support level is saying, yeah, I'm still here. So somewhere it's stuck in between again. And you have to see this, all right? This is a level where it took so many candles, then some half of it, then again even less than again half of it. This is trying to push back further down the strong candle. I would say it will go further down from this level. I could have done it about one deviation level, but this is now showing that it wants to go further down because it has tried to hit this with this, then this gap, then it's even half. It wants to go down, and this is not there's not strong level yet. This is a level still. If it has to go, it has to go. One, two candles. This time a stronger evening star. It has to go. I got a bad entry level. I understand, but it's still better because I knew that it will go down. So let's take one more trade. Maybe I will. What does it say? It says I want to get back to this level, but it's a conjunction of many support levels. This EMA is 50 EMA. It is generally a strong EMA, but in this situation, the next EMAs are so close to each other. It's not a very strong trend yet. This was a support level which it just broke, or maybe respecting it. So it is respecting the support level. There was a retracement. This has a longer lower wick, but big body. So if the body to wick ratio, this is stronger, still a bit stronger candle, bearish candle. But this is a strong support level because all the support level, this is the lowest one. It also got touched the 200 100 EMA. 200 EMA is just below that. Is it enough to do a reversal trade right away? The thing is, with strong candles like this, you never still know. This is a strong level, I know, but don't get into a FOMO version. It's better to leave out, like I left out. What do you think now this is? Is this a retracement or a reversal? See, it closed at 50%, a little over 50%, I think. This is a dark cloud cover, okay? So it has to be done here, if at all. Even if it is going to give you an indication that I want to go for no rejection setup, or a dark cloud cover at 20 at 200 at 2 deviation, um, ideally just above 50% of it. Strong support level here, 2 deviation again here to help it. I would say bad entry point, but it was just a bad entry point. I could have done it just below that. What do you think now it will be? It's still going for the down, not. So it's 13 minutes of this video. Some trades. This was a kind of a formal version of it. I could have waited for it or traded a bit below. What does it say now? It's an indecision candle. It can mean anything. It also says that I want to use this as a support level also. But indecision candle. It wants to get back into the support, but this 100 EMA is really attracting it. And then there's a 200 EMA, and then there is a round number. It's a lot of key levels. This is a key level. It's now says I'm getting activated. Thank you. Now I'm getting activated. This resistance level says that. So if there's a rejection from this resistance level, I would probably go for it. So now there are three strong levels. This is giving you an indication that even despite small candles, and this doji says that it is a sure shot, we call it sure shot 27, that this will give it a confirmation that it will not go further down because there are so many key levels below that and some weak candles below before it. But I have to do it below one of these key levels. I can't just trade it now. It will go up. I have to understand that this resistance level never became, never, now it became kind of a support level. So this is a morning star, but ending stopping at two deviation, getting rejected from there. It says I don't like it. Why I'm showing you in such a big way? Because I have to see the context here also. What happened here? This is a key level started at a resistance level, a morning star. This one says, yes, I like getting there. This one says, yes, I want to get there. I want to reach all the key levels. I want to use this level. So this level will have to be touched in a more prominent way. It is a strong candle, even though it's engulfing against a trend. But you have to understand that major trend was supposedly still upwards, and this is against it. In that way, it is against the trend. The candles are still aligned in that sense. Absolutely. And that's where I would stop because I've had so many trades and yeah, partial success, but good. Thank you.